Hello, viewers. Today I'm back with a question for you. Do you know yourself? You think you know, but most of the times it happens that when I start my communication classes, I ask students to introduce themselves. And believe me, 90% of the time they are not able to put together even a dozen sentences to talk about themselves. After a minute or so, they'll stop. Why does that happen? Do you even have time for yourself? I don't think so. We live in a very fast paced world where everything is moving and changing very quickly. You don't have time to think, you are always on the go. But believe me, the most important thing is knowing yourself. As Aristotle said many, many years ago, that knowing yourself is the beginning of wisdom. Unless we know ourselves, how can we know others? And if you've heard the word emotional intelligence, you know that the first thing in that is knowing yourself, self awareness. You have to know who you are, what do you want from life. And when you go for interviews, this is a very important question that is asked in the interview. So you need to reflect and think about yourself. And there are three things that you should know. First is your body, second, your mind, and third, your belief system, your value system. If these things you know, then you will be able to manage things. So have a diary or a journal where you can write down, think about yourself, give time, and write. So your body needs what kind of food, what you should be wearing, how you should carry yourself, how you should sit, walk, talk. All these things are very important as they are part of your whole personality, which is the first impression that people get when they see you. Secondly, your mind. What you think is very important. It makes up the whole of your life. You become what you think. So there should be no negativity in life. You should learn to appreciate yourself. You are unique. There's nobody like you in the world. Don't compare yourself with others because you have your own qualities, others have theirs. So do not do that. It makes you sad. There's no need for that. So appreciate yourself. There's a movie of Shah Rukh Khan, Om Shanti Om, in which he says a dialogue. अगर तुम किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. There's a very powerful message in that dialogue. If you are positive and well determined and you work towards achieving your goal, the whole power of universe, the positive energy is with you and you become an unstoppable force. You can achieve anything then. That is what is the meaning. So know yourself, find what you have to know, and then think positive to achieve your goal. And lastly is your skill set. So according to your beliefs, your core values, you have to also work on your skill set. We live in a world today where everything is changing fast. You can't be sticking to just one skill and say, I know this. You have to have the attitude to learn and reskill and go on upskilling yourself. You cannot stop learning. That's one thing. So know your strengths and weaknesses so that you can work on your strengths and make them stronger for you, and you can eliminate the weaknesses that you have in you. So these are the three things which are very, very important for you to think about. So find time for yourself and think so that you can introduce yourself well to others. Tell them what you are, what you like, what you dislike, what skills and qualities you have, and then see the difference. Thank you.